In this video, you will learn how to add a Google Tag Manager in Hostinger. Create a Google Tag Manager account, sign up or log in to your Google Tag Manager, then create a new account that contains your website. Get the GTM code snippets. After creating a container, Google Tag Manager will give you two code snippets, one for the header section and one for the body section of your website. Access Hostinger's file manager or website builder. Log into your Hostinger control panel, then open the File Manager or Website Builder editor, where you can edit files. Add the first snippet to the header section. Open the site's header file on the HTML file, then paste your GTM snippet right after the opening of the head tag. Add the second snippet to the body section. Paste the GTM snippet immediately after opening body tag in your website's HTML files. Save changes and publish your site. Saving the changes of publishing your website, so Google Tag Manager is now active. Now you know how to add Google Tag Manager in Hostinger Website Builder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.